Hello and welcome back to the instruction video of 7th generation multifunctional portable toilet. So let's start. To open the stool, simply unlock the three locker. This one and this one. Unlock. This one also unlock. See, you have to push like this and unlock. See, then hold the handle. It has a handle in the both side. Pull until it's click into the place. See, after open the multifunctional portable toilet, open the three lock, this one, push like this and unlock. See, it's unlocked. This one also push, unlock. It's easy to unlock. After unlock the three lockers, you see, this is multifunctional portable toilet. You can see it like this. You can use like portable toilet and also portable collapsible stool. You see, this is folding chair. If you don't feel comfortable in this side, you can also adjust whatever you want. Let me show you. You can adjust this size, even that size. So this 7th generation multifunctional portable toilet matrix is PP. Height is 50 cm, width is 38 cm, and it has maximum load capacity is 600 pounds or 350 pounds. So let's see how to close our 7th generation portable toilet. First, lock the three front locker. This one, you see, this one and this one. For your time information, don't push like this, because when it like this one is don't lock. Let me show you. You see, it's not locked because of this one. When you close the stool, just do like this. This one and this one. Then hold the handle, pull, twist and close. After close, lock the three front locker like this. Lock. You see, it's locked. This 7th generation portable toilet is very easy to clean. So thank you for watching our video.